So I'm here with my good friend Jerry. Also like me. Too much, Jerry, too much. Take two. So I'm here with my friend Jerry.
Hi.
Also like me, a Swiss, a Filipina. We born and raised in the same hometown back in Switzerland, and now she's here for holidays visiting the Philippines. How's the holiday going so far?
Yeah, today is very good because we have a good weather. It was a typhoon, so it was a little bit challenging.
Because you arrived with the rain,
Yeah.
then you arrived without electricity.
Yes.
So from there, your vacation can only get better and better, I'm telling you. I think this is one of the first day you can see the sun. So now we are getting ready to have a swim, I believe.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
sure.
we just had a good lunch and then let's go for a swim.
Yeah.
One of my favorite resorts here in the island, South Palms Resort. Look at this beach. I mean, we are in the Holy Week, so it's a holiday week, so that's why there's a lot of people around. I haven't seen this place that much packed in a very long time. And it's good to see it like this actually. This morning we went for a little dive just out here. We went to see like an airplane. It's down below the water with the guys of Blue Freedom Apnea. Shout out to them. Thank you guys for bringing me out. Man, look at this. Oh, finally, we have the lights. As I told you a few vlogs ago, we experienced some problems when it comes to electricity here in Tagbilaran City, here in whole Bohol actually. During the day, there's no problem. You can just go out at the beach. You can just enjoy your holiday week outside in the island, but during the night when you're home, it's nice to have some light, and not always we have it. In Leyte is where we are getting the electricity. They have been experiencing heavy damages during the tropical depression that we had last week. So some of the poles that are bringing electricity here were damaged. That's why we don't get any electricity here in Bohol. Here in Bohol we have like a little, but it doesn't produce enough energy for everybody. So that's why we have like a rotation system. Today you get it, then he get it, then they get it. Every time we get the electricity back, very important to charge everything, to save water. And that is how we have been living for the past week. Anyway, I'm still glad that we still have the electricity, even just for a few hours. Just you can get the water, all my stuff can get charged. Apparently starting Monday 18 is the day that the electricity should be back to normal. That was the target given. So by the time these vlogs come out, we should be back to a regular and stable electricity power supply here in the island. I hope so. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. Please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I see you guys the next time.